guys, welcome back to our family projects. It is cold out here today. It's like 20 degrees, wind's blowing, really cold. But anyway, let's take advantage of the frozen ground. Let's move some stuff around with the skid steer. I couldn't get to my hay last week. You guys seen that? I made them ruts. Well, ground's partially frozen right now. The sheep out there, mom's gonna need some more hay. They got like one bale left out of them 6 I took up there 3 weeks ago. So I'm gonna move 6 bales out here where I can get to it in the driveway whenever it falls out some. You know, that way I'm not dealing with the mud. And I got firewood I need to move in around. So we're gonna just take advantage of the frozen ground today. So today's video is just gonna be moving stuff around. That's it. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get to it. hopefully this will be enough. Feed a bale a week. 6 weeks, that ought to get me through February and all of March. And by that time, everything will be greening up for April. So hopefully it will be good. And I left enough over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 bales there too for my guys here. So hopefully, I guess well, let's move some firewood around. Yeah, guys, obviously it wasn't frozen deep. I still cut up ruts and stuff, but they will get some moved. And what I'm planning on doing, I'm just going to fence this back off, but I'm going to let my guys have all this out here. But anyway, let's get this firewood done. Guys, it's definitely not frozen. I tried coming through here with this log, dropped it right here. I got this far and I dropped it right here. Went back around trying to move some more. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get any more up here. I might try one more. I try to get one up right in here, but we'll see. I didn't realize there's still this muddy over here. Alright guys, that's all I'm going to move today. It definitely wasn't frozen very hard because I definitely cut through. See, I don't know how well it shows up, but you can really see the ruts. I mean, all the way out. I rutted up pretty good. These two logs, I'm going to have to cut in half before I move them. They're too heavy to pick up with the skid steer, both of them. I'm just going to cut them in half. But I need to be more frozen than this, because this is going to be a bear to fix here in a couple months. Anyway, let's shut the gates back up and let the sheep back out here. I do enjoy raising the sheep and having them around, but wintertime sucks. When you have animals, any type of chores in the winter just sucks. But I do enjoy it. They are a lot of fun, so I'm not giving it up yet. One thing I don't like, I got some holes with some ruts underneath the fence now right here. Hopefully it's not going to be a big deal. But you never know how the dogs are. Well guys, look how muddy that is still. It was 20 degrees out here, wind blowing, and I figured it had been solid. But I managed to get 3 more logs up here and that. I am out of firewood. I got some stuff cut up over there. But anyway, I'm going to have to cut wood. I'm going to have to do that tomorrow. But yeah, this cold sucks. It's mud sucks. That's all there is to it. But anyway, guys, I had a close call with this camera with this one log. I knocked out my tripod. Yeah, you seen it where it shook it. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will catch you on the next one.